That's what we talked about a couple days ago.
Yeah. Like some of those formats I'm noticing are like the versus format is great.
Yeah.
Right. The hotel.
I love those videos too.
Yeah. The hotel and the yacht one, like those are really fun to watch.
Yeah.
And it does seem like from hotels to yachts, you got better at that format.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you watch $1 versus, what was it, $1 million hotel room?
Yeah.
Like that video sucks compared to $1 versus $1 billion yacht. It's infinitely better. Like the transitions are smoother. Just even like we don't overfilm. Like with hotels, we're filming like 10 hours in these hotels and we're doing all these things because we don't know what we want to put in. Whereas on yachts, it's like, because we did plane ticket and we did hotels,